Night Eating Syndrome by Tavia Migo. What is night eating syndrome? Night eating syndrome is interruptions in sleep with the feeling of the need to eat. How do you diagnose night eating syndrome? Typically, therapists will conduct an interview with patients to evaluate symptoms. The patients may be asked to keep a sleep journal as well. What are the symptoms of night eating syndrome? Many people will have trouble staying asleep and or falling asleep at least 4 times per week. In order to fall back asleep, they need to feel full. They may feel guilty after eating. They may eat more than 1/4 of their daily calories at night and a decreased appetite during the day. Risk factors. People with night eating syndrome are at higher risk for obesity, depression and anxiety, binge eating, bulimia nervosa, abuse of alcohol, and drugs. Possible causes. Night eating syndrome is found in 1 of 100 people. It is caused by a disruption in sleep-wake cycle. Certain genes and or hormones are associated with it as well. Treatment. Often people are treated with cognitive behavior therapy, antidepressants, mind and body mindfulness exercises. Prevention. Practice good sleep hygiene, be active during the day, and know how to manage your stress. We're excited.
Created using Powtoon.